Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly Chatflow. In today's video, we are going to learn how to broadcast WhatsApp messages for your garment manufacturing unit. If you are a garment manufacturer, then manually responding to all the queries related to fabric catalog and stock availability can be a very time-consuming process. So with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, we are going to create a template message which will be broadcasted on the scheduled time. Now, if you want to learn how to create this amazing broadcast, then let me take you to my screen. Here, as we can see, I have created this broadcast message for our garment manufacturing unit with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Before we begin the procedure of creating this broadcast, let me show you how it works in a real-time example. And for that, let me take you to my WhatsApp screen. So here, as we can see, we have received this message from garment manufacturing unit, and it is the same template that we have created with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. And here, the status of the broadcast has changed from live to sent. That means our broadcast has been sent to users and it is working perfectly fine. Now, let's begin the procedure of creating this broadcast, and for that, we have to visit Pabbly Chatflow's website, and for that, open a new browser tab. In a new tab, enter the URL pabbly.com/chatflow. And it will take you to the main landing page of Pabbly Chatflow. If you are an existing user, click on Sign In. However, if you are a new user, click on Sign Up for free. As I am already an existing user, I will click on Sign In. And it will show me all the apps provided by Pabbly Chatflow. Here we have to access Pabbly Chatflow. So click on Access Now, and it will take you to the Pabbly Chatflow dashboard. On the left side of the screen, you will see all the features provided by Pabbly Chatflow. We will go through all the features one by one. First, we have Dashboard, which gives us an overview of chatbot's performance, recent activities, and stats. Next, we have is Inbox. Here we can manage and reply to all the incoming customer conversations. Next up, we have Contacts. It stores all the details of users who have interacted with your chatbot. From here, you can view and manage them. Then we have Team Queues. It helps us in assigning conversations to different team members for better handling and faster responses. Next up, we have Template. It is a pre-built template which you can use directly or customize accordingly to your needs. It saves a lot of time. Next up, we have Broadcast. It allows you to send bulk message or announcement to multiple users at once. Then we have Flows, where you can create and manage your chatbot conversations and create chat flows. Then we have AI Assistant, a feature to integrate AI-based smart responses, making your chatbot more interactive and intelligent. Then we have Settings. It manages your account preferences, chatbot settings, integrations, and notification options. From Get Help, you can access support, documentation, FAQs, or options to connect Pabbly customer service if you need any assistance. You can add your WhatsApp number on Pabbly Chatflow. From here, click on Add WhatsApp Number. Then you will get two options, WhatsApp Connect Beta and Manual Token Connect. Click on Manual Token Connect, and this will ask for Meta Access Token. You have to generate Meta Access Token from Facebook Meta for Developers. Once you generate your access token, you can update it here. Here you can see all the credits allotted, credits consumed, credits remaining, and the amount of numbers you have added here. To know more about how to add WhatsApp number, you can watch this video here. So now let's begin the procedure of creating our broadcast. And for that, access the feature from here. And then to create a new broadcast, simply click on Add Broadcast. Here we have to select broadcast type as broadcast campaign, and here we have to provide garment manufacturing unit. Here we have to select our contact list. To create a contact list, access the feature from here, open it in a new tab, and then to create a new contact list, click here, provide your contact list name as Garment Manufacturing Unit, add all the additional details and simply click on Add, and your new contact list will be created successfully. Now we have to select our contact list from here as Garment Manufacturing Unit, and Pabbly provides us two types of messages. First one is pre-approved template message and another one is regular message. So here I'm going to select pre-approved template message, and for this I'm going to select my WhatsApp template. From here we get a list of all the approved templates. You can select any approved template as per your needs. If you want to know how to create template, you have to access the template feature from here, open it in a new tab, and then to create a new template, simply click on Add Template. Here, select your template category as marketing. Then provide your template name. Make sure that it is all in lowercase letters and it should not have any white spaces. The proper formatting is this. So here I have named my template according to the proper formatting, and here we have to select language, which I have selected English, and here you have to select your template type as text, image, video, document, location, carousel or limited time offer. So here I have selected text. Here I have provided the template header, which will appear like this to the user in bold format. And here we have to provide template format. Here you can add all the details that you want the user to receive. So here I have added all the offers and details. If you want to highlight any specific sentence, you have to use this asterisk signs in the beginning and at the end of the text, and it will make your text appear bold here. Now you have to simply provide a footer, and lastly you have to provide interactive actions such as call to action, quick replies or all of the above. Here I have selected none, and then simply submit your template. Then you have to choose your approved template from here. It will appear like this, and then you can even test your template and broadcast. So here provide your details, provide your phone number, and send a test message to check whether your broadcast and template message is working or not. Here it says test broadcast sent successfully. So here I'm going to check on my WhatsApp whether it's working or not. And here, as we can see, we have received our chosen template with all the details that we added in our template message. That means our broadcast and template are working perfectly fine. So I'm going back to my template message, and here we get last option to schedule broadcast. We can either schedule it for later, for which you have to provide a specific date and time on which your template will be broadcasted, or either you can send it instantly. So I have chosen to send it instantly, and then I'm going to click on add broadcast. And here it says broadcast created successfully. Our garment manufacturing unit broadcast has been created successfully. If you want to create your own broadcast, you can follow the procedure as I've shown in this video. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching. Not only this chatbot, you can create multiple such chatbots with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Now, if you have any doubts, you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can write them on forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, you can visit our website given over here. So what are you waiting for? Sign up today and try it for free.